Kilz from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. Using Kilz Multipurpose Primer as a medium directly from the container, I add 1 part paint and 1 part medium to my paints, and then try to incorporate them. See, nothing at all at this point doesn't have anything but the medium. At this point, I'm going to incorporate both of them. And these paints are for another project, but this is exactly how I prepare the ones for this one. And then once the medium and the paint are well combined, until then, I add a little bit of water until the right viscosity. Mix it up. Now these are the paints that I'm going to use for this project. All of these have medium, and these also has medium, but that one I'm not going to use any lubricants. That's going to be for the background. So before I add the lubricant, I am going to put a few drops in the white paint to create some sort of a background. This is a used canvas that I had to wash because I didn't like the way it turned out. So that's why you see it different. This is a new paint that I'm using today, and I'm going to show you later on what it is. So now I'm just going to mix it up a little bit, and there we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now tell me I'm not seeing things here, because tell me you see those cells in there, because I am seeing those cells, beautiful, beautiful cells in my canvas. Now I'm going to spread it evenly to cover my canvas. Now I'm ready. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to use the 3-in-1 with silicone, because the previous one I used without. So I'm going to add 2 drops of silicone per color, and as I am putting the colors in my dirty cup, I'm going to be adding more and see what it comes out. Lightly stir to not overmix. And I want to show you, these are the colors I use. The Satin Acrylic by Mont Marte or Mont Marte, whatever you pronounce that. Okay, I like the background the way it is, but I'm going to create the dirty cup right now. I'm going to start with the red and the yellow. Now I'm going to use white to divide them. And now I'm going to use the green and the black. This is a very important step. Otherwise, you're going to end up with browns and grays in your dirty pour. Now I'm going to try to attempt my very first time to do a feather. So this is an important movement. It's like a zigzag that I saw in another video, and it looks so easy, but as we all know, it never is. So, oh, it looks beautiful. What do you think about these colors, guys? I really like it. I know you're not seeing my hand in there, but what I'm really doing is just making that line over there to divide and make it like a feather-like shape. Now, I want to leave it like that, but it's too much paint. I have to spread it somehow. Otherwise, it's going to crack, so I'm going to swipe it. Let's see how it goes. It is beautiful, except for that tiny little tail that is at the end. Dang it. See? And there goes the other one. tell me this also happens to you, because I know I cannot be the only one that fluid art does whatever it wants. So with a fork, I'm gonna try to create more of a loose end here. And since I totally lost the shape of a feather, now I'm gonna call it a leaf. So it is an autumn leaf, people. Okay, so now I'm going to try to give back the middle since I totally screwed it up. All right. So this is what it is. This is how it looks like. And those dots of paint, I'm going to try to use alcohol in there to create some sort of pattern, different look in the background. And I'm also going to put some in the paint for the leaf, and I'll show you later how it looks like. So can you see what the paint does when I add the alcohol? Watch. It just opens up. See, watch. And there it goes. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Have you tried this technique before? Please let me know. Give me tips. What has been your experience? And if this video has been of any help to you, any inspire you to do something or create something, I will invite you to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. This is how it looks like. I use this rust-oleum spray to varnish it, and I just continue using the same technique around for the smaller leaves. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.